So unfortunately, I should have videoed the process, but I didn't. I was able to press the plastic plug back in, the blue one that you saw, and it looks like it's doing some good right now, because I know you can't see it because here, let's try this. Oh, bingo. Okay, so as you can see, since my engine is off and my heater control is in the off position, you can see that the clip putting it in did something, because it's currently in its closed position right now. So when this blue clip had been broke, it was just kind of like rotating in and outwards. But whenever I turn my control on to vent or defroster, etc., the blue clip here, it's rotated like this towards my hood. So I know that putting in the clip did something for it. And I didn't have to take my heater cover off to do anything, but as you can see, what I need to do is put a clip on here to keep this metal diaphragm piece from coming off that clip. So I just wanted to show you guys that. I don't think there are any videos out there talking about this particular blue clip down here. It's like a oddball, but it's a link. Thank you.